In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an equipment loan to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a clean setup that keeps your equipment and its related loan easy to find and manage, so your books stay clear and organized. Start by opening your chart of accounts. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then choose Chart of Accounts. Think of this as the master list of every account in your bookkeeping: assets, liabilities, and more. We'll add two accounts, one for the equipment itself and one for the loan tied to it. First, create the fixed asset account for the equipment. Click New, then give the account a clear, descriptive name you'll recognize at a glance. Set the account type to Fixed Asset. For the detail type, choose Machinery and Equipment. This tells QuickBooks exactly what kind of asset you're tracking and places it correctly on reports. If you want to add a short description for future clarity, you can do that as well. When you're done, select Save and New so you can immediately create the loan account without closing the window. Next, create the loan account. Set the account type to Long-Term Liability. For the detail type, choose Notes Payable. Add a concise name for the loan, something that aligns with the equipment name so they're easy to associate. Then check the option that says Make this a sub-account and select the equipment account you just created as the parent. This keeps the loan visually grouped with the piece of equipment it finances, making reports easier to read and your file more intuitive to navigate. Before saving, take a second to confirm you've picked the right parent account and that your naming is consistent. Once both accounts are created, head back to your chart of accounts to see them listed. You can click View Register on either account to review, edit, and record their transactions over time. This is where you'll keep track of activity related to the asset and the loan, including any adjustments or ongoing entries as needed. Use clear memos and consistent dates so your history stays easy to follow later. That's it. You've set up a fixed asset account for your equipment, created a linked loan as a sub-account, and seen where to manage their activity going forward. With this foundation in place, your reporting will reflect both the value of the equipment and the obligation tied to it, helping you stay organized and confident in your books.